Are you a workout trainer looking to make money beyond just one-on-one sessions? Or maybe you're a fitness lover who wants to turn your knowledge into passive income? What if I told you that you could create a professional 8-week workout guide in less than an hour and sell it on Pinterest, Amazon KDP, your own social media, or directly to your gym clients and make money passively? I'm going to walk you through the exact process I use to create stunning workout guides using a tool called Designrr. No design skills needed, no hours of formatting, just professional results in minutes. So if you're ready to create your first digital product, hit that like button and subscribe to join the Ruth Finance community where I share real ways to make money online. We're going to build an 8-week workout guide focused on building strength and muscle. This is the kind of guide that fitness enthusiasts are actually searching for on Pinterest and buying on Amazon every single day. Here's what makes this guide valuable. It includes a structured 4-day-per-week training plan with specific exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and more. It follows progressive overload principles, meaning the workouts get progressively harder to ensure continuous muscle growth. It incorporates proper recovery days to prevent burnout. And it includes all the core principles people need to see real results in 8 weeks. This type of guide typically sells from $9.99 to $29.99 depending on where you're selling it. And the beautiful thing, once you create it, you can sell it unlimited times with zero additional work. The tool you're using today is called Designrr, and it's honestly a game changer for creating digital products like workout guides, ebooks, lead magnets, you name it. And through my special link in the description, you can get Designrr with a one-time lifetime payment. That means no monthly subscriptions, no recurring fees. You just pay once and use it forever to create unlimited guides and ebooks. It's honestly the best investment you can make if you're serious about creating digital products. So click the link in the description below and grab your lifetime access to Designrr. Now let's get into Designrr and start creating the 8-week workout plan. When you log into Designrr and click Create New Project, the first thing you do is choose the format. If you're creating something you want to sell on Amazon KDP or print professionally, select Print Ready PDF. The next powerful step is using Genie. This opens the AI content generator. Next, choose the appropriate theme, for example, health and fitness. Inside Genie, you'll first enter your ebook title. Be specific. Instead of writing workout guide, write something specific like 8-week strength and muscle building workout guide. The more detailed your title is, the better the AI understands what you want. After that, click Generate Outline. The Genie AI will instantly create a structured table of contents for your book. This usually includes an introduction, core principles, weekly breakdowns, training days, recovery guidance, nutrition advice, and progress tracking. You can edit, rearrange, remove, or add sections before moving forward. Once you're satisfied with the outline, click Generate Full Content. Genie will then write complete paragraphs for every chapter in your outline. Within a few minutes, you'll have a fully written draft of your ebook. This gives you a strong foundation that can be personalized by adding your own experience or additional insights. After your content is generated, the next step is to choose how it looks. Click Choose a Template. This is where you select the visual styles of your ebook. Designrr offers multiple pre-designed templates depending on your niche. For a workout guide, you might choose something bold, clean, and energetic. The next step is that workout guides need strong visuals. Readers don't just want written instructions only. They want to see proper form for exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench press, and pull-ups. Instead of spending hours searching for stock photos, worrying about copyright issues, or trying to find images that look consistent, you can use an AI image generator like Nano to create custom, high-quality workout images tailored specifically to your guide. Nano allows you to generate realistic fitness images using simple text prompts. The key is writing a clear description, such as athletic male doing incline barbell bench press in a modern gym, proper form, side angle view, professional fitness photography, high quality and motivational. Within seconds, the tool produces a professional-looking image with correct form, strong lighting, and a polished aesthetic. And because the images are generated uniquely for you, there are no copyright concerns, and you can maintain consistent character appearance to keep your workout book cohesive. Use similar prompts for each exercises while keeping the same character and gym setting. For example, generate separate images for squats, deadlifts, and pull-ups using consistent wording and perspective. This ensures all visuals match in style, lighting, and overall quality. Once your images are ready, simply upload them into the appropriate chapters in Designrr. The platform automatically adjusts spacing and formatting to fit your chosen theme, making the layout look clean and intentional. High-quality, consistent exercise visuals instantly elevate your guide from amateur to professional. And that's what builds credibility and makes your product stand out. Creating your book cover in Designrr is simply a matter of customizing the first page of your project. Click Add Cover at the beginning of your book and choose a bold professional template that fits your niche. For a workout guide, select a layout that includes space for a strong headline, a subtitle, an author name, and a large visual area. Update the main title to 8-week strength and muscle building guide. Make the font large, bold, and easy to read. Underneath, add a compelling subtitle like your complete 4-day-per-week training plan for maximum gains. This immediately communicates what the guide offers and who it's for. Next, personalize the cover by adding your author name, then upload a high-quality workout image, such as a strong squat or bench press photo, and set it as the background. Adjust the image transparency or apply a subtle overlay so your title and subtitle remain clear and readable. Now let me give you multiple ways to sell this workout guide and make money. The first option is Pinterest. Pinterest is a powerful search engine for fitness content, with users constantly looking for terms like 8-week workout plan, muscle building guide, and strength training program. Create visually compelling pins in Canva featuring your book cover and bold benefit-driven text such as build muscle in 8 weeks. Link each pin to a sales page built with StanStore or System.io, where customers can purchase your guide at $19.99. Because Pinterest traffic is free and fitness performs exceptionally well on the platform, consistent pinning can start generating sales within weeks. The second option is Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Uploading your guides to Amazon KDP gives you access to millions of buyers actively searching for workout programs every day. You can price your guide anywhere between $9.99 and $29.99, and Amazon handles the sales page, payment processing, and delivery automatically. Once published, your ebook can generate passive income for years with no additional effort, making it one of the most scalable and hands-off ways to sell your workout guide. The third option is to sell your guide to your gym clients. If you're a personal trainer or connected to a gym community, selling your guide directly to clients is a natural opportunity. You can print physical copies for a low cost and sell them at a premium. Offer digital versions via email, include the guide as a bonus with the training packages, or use it as a lead magnet to attract new clients. Since your audience already trusts your expertise, converting them into buyers over $20 to $30 workout guide becomes a straightforward and profitable extension of your services. The fourth option is social media. Promote your guide across Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok by sharing workout tips, snippets from the guide, client transformations, and testimonials. Add a clear purchase link in your bio so every post becomes a potential sales funnel. Social media allows you to build authority while consistently directing followers to your product, turning everyday content into long-term revenue. So the next step, take action. You now have a complete system. Create your workout guide with Designrr and Nano Banana. Publish it on at least 2 platforms and start driving traffic. Begin with Pinterest for free traffic and Amazon KDP for marketplace exposure. From there, expand by creating guides for different niches such as beginners, women, home workouts, abs training, or weight loss. This model works because structured fitness programs are always in demand. And the more specific your guide is, the greater your earning potential.